Hello friends and welcome back to the Requisition channel. So friends, today I will talk about Dell Alienware Area-51 desktop PC. So friends, the Area-51 desktop makes a bold entrance to retake throne as Alienware flagship gaming PC. With this addition, we are returning with a machine that caters to a desire of PC gaming enthusiasts and long-time Alienware fans. So friends, its scalable design at 80 liter, the full-size tower is designed to comfortably support and exceed the size requirement of today's largest component, prepared for future upgrade and create the ideal thermal solution with available headroom for more than 600 watt and dedicated graphics power and up to 280 watt dedicated processing power. Area 51 support the highest performance component including top shelf, next generation NVIDIA graphics and up to Intel Core Ultra 9 285K CPU, allowing games to run and sustain at the limit. An industry standard component allow the most critical parts to be easily replaced and serviced, including the motherboard, power supply, CPU, GPU, RAM, storage, fans, and more. And it comes with larger fan size and advanced liquid cooling configuration. The position Okay. And the Alienware Area 51, it comes with up to 64 GB DDR5 XMP 2 into 32 GB, 6400 MHz per second memory, and up to 8 TB of storage via 4 TB NVMe M.2 PCI generation for SSD plus 4 TB NVMe M.2 PCI generation for SSD storage. And it comes with 360 liquid cooling and 240 liquid cooling while enabling a DIY upgradability part 2 for 20 liquid cooler and powered by 1500 watt platinum rated ATS 12VO power supply and 850 watt gold rated ATS 12VO PSU. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.